My light is off. I just turned on the passage light and my bedroom light is off. I'm having a cakers. It's a black olive crackers made with olive. Oh please, just if you like I said, I'm ill and my son doing everything for me, so my bedroom will be untidy. A little bit. This biscuit I ate biscuit later. Sorry, I ate biscuit earlier on, and then there is some biscuit dropped on the floor. And now I'm having a cakers. I'll have a cakers, olive cakers. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Shall I pray for my son and me. We both always stay healthy and happy. And সবাই ভালো থাকবেন। আল্লাহ হাফিজ। আজকের মতো এখানেই শেষ। এটা একটা শর্ট ভিডিও। আল্লাহ হাফিজ।